This video is an overview of the credit card comparison assignment for week 5. Here we are in the weekly modules on Blackboard. So when you click into week 5's module, you'll see a new type of assignment called the credit card comparison. So in addition to the usual assignments this week through Connect, we also have this analytical assignment as well. We are learning about consumer credit, and this assignment will let you apply your learning and hopefully point you in the right direction when it comes to choosing a credit card. Here you can see the instructions for the assignment. In addition, if you click on the attached file, it will let you download the chart you'll use for the assignment along with the assignment instructions and format. I'll go ahead and bring that up now. So you're going to identify 3 credit cards using either of the websites I've provided here in the instructions. These are useful since you can look at multiple credit cards at the same time rather than having to go to specific credit card company websites to compare. So let's go ahead and take a look. For instance, this is creditcards.com, and you can check out different credit cards by type, quality, different offers, travel, and rewards, for instance. I particularly like the Money Under 30 website's credit card comparison. So if you go to the credit cards tab, you can find a category of credit cards that suits your needs, whether it's student credit cards or travel rewards or any of these options as well. Let's go ahead and click on student credit cards. It also lets you compare credit cards side by side if you click on the compare this card and then the compare cards button at the bottom. It lets you select up to 5, and you can see how they compare side by side. So let's go back. Using the Word document I provided, you'll need to fill out the chart for the 3 credit cards of your choice, and you'll attach it to the summary and reaction paper, which summarizes what you learned by comparing these 3 credit cards and which credit card offer is the best for you and why. So it's just a 1-page, single space, double space between paragraphs. And if you scroll down to the second page, you'll see the format of the assignment. So here, read through this carefully. This format is very helpful when you begin to write critically for college courses. So you'll note that the first part is a brief paragraph on your analytical process. Note that it says here you're analyzing credit cards or mutual funds because you'll actually be doing a different comparison assignment later this semester on mutual funds. But for this week, we're just dealing with credit cards, so don't let that confuse you. So the majority of the paper, though, is your reaction and your analysis. So this part 2 right here. This is where you will make connections between Chapter 5 from the textbook, the real world, your life, and a couple other areas. So read the different bullets and make sure you answer each question. You're also going to explain what you learned and how it has increased your understanding on credit cards. Go ahead and keep continuing down on the assignment instructions. Make sure to review the points of consideration as well, which will guide you on how to write a thoughtful and thorough paper. Now, you'll notice that I've asked you to cite using APA format. So when citing the textbook, you'll use APA for in-text citations so I know which ideas came from the textbook, whether you're summarizing, paraphrasing, or quoting. So if we go back to Blackboard, just under the credit card comparison assignment, you'll see a brief overview on how to do in-text citations per APA. And there's a small example down here below. Let me know if you've got any questions. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy doing the credit card comparison assignment. You might have done comparisons before, or this might be your first time. Either way, good luck.